All right, so the crypto market has been extremely volatile over the last couple of weeks, especially since President Trump came into office. And we've seen a lot of talks of what's going to happen with the Bitcoin reserve. Is the U.S. going to buy more Bitcoin? And really just what is going on. But with all of this, there's been a lot of volatility. It's been pretty hard to make money if you are trading because one piece of news comes out, you could be losing money, making money. Like, market is very, very reactive to news right now. So I want to show you guys a way that is pretty low risk strategy to earn crypto when prices are going sideways, and really there's not a good indicator of which direction the market is going to go. So whether you're holding Bitcoin, you're stashing stable coins, you're diversifying into altcoins, there is two features that I've been using a lot over on CoinEx that let you put idle assets to work. You can earn passive yields through liquidity pools, flexible and real-time save and deposit and more. And so there's no leverage. You don't really have to panic. It's just it enables you to earn when the market's going sideways and when there's a bit of uncertainty like we're seeing right now. Because like I said, one piece of news comes out, we could see Bitcoin back at $100,000 per coin. One piece of news comes out that's negative, we could see Bitcoin drop to $65,000 per coin. So the two features I want to talk about is first going to be with CoinEx's main feature that I want to talk about today, which is the financial account. So with CoinEx Financial, it allows you to enjoy daily compound interest flexibility. It puts your idle crypto to work, and it says put your idle cryptos to work in CoinEx Financial account. Enjoy daily compound interest with flexibility, no minimum deposit, and you can withdraw whenever you need. So you can see that this is like a low risk, high liquidity option for holders, people who really don't plan on selling their crypto anytime soon. And with CoinEx Financial, it offers a reliable way for users to maximize idle crypto. This is for people who just want to stay in crypto but aren't trading a lot and don't want to use leverage. And so by depositing like idle assets like USDT and Sol, you could see like Tau and Rune and XMR, it allows you to earn daily compound interest with no minimum deposit required. You could see that you could filter and see by daily 7-day APY. You could see that they list them right here, but you could also just see like historical yield as well. So all you'd have to do, let's say for Popcat, you just click on Earn Now. You'd have to transfer your Popcat from your spot account to the financial account, and then you could start earning, in terms of Popcat, right around 17.7% for your 7-day APY. In addition to this, one thing I like about CoinEx Financial is that there is zero lockups. So like I said, you can withdraw your funds at any time. There's no penalty, and this ensures liquidity during uncertain markets like we're seeing right now. On top of this, there's guaranteed returns. So unlike staking, which ties returns to token performance, CoinEx is ultimately guaranteeing profits regardless of price fluctuations. So even if asset prices drop, users retain their locked-in yield, which you can see right here. So just by clicking like Earn Now, you can lock in that yield right away. There's no minimum deposits, no barriers to entry. This is something that's very simple to do if you have crypto, you want to earn some yield on it when markets are exactly like they are right now, where you don't maybe know a clear direction, but you still want to earn some return. So that is perfect for right now. Other feature I want to talk about is automated market making. So CoinEx's automated market making, their AMM liquidity pools, it allows you to earn fees like even while you're sleeping. So those who are open to a little bit more of a moderate risk, this is a little bit higher of a risk than the CoinEx Financial, which is extremely low risk. CoinEx's AMM, their AMM pools, it blends DeFi style rewards with centralized exchange efficiency. So by providing liquidity to pairs like CET to USDT or stablecoin markets, you can earn up to 50 to 100% of trading fees depending on the pair. So you can see it says CoinEx supports the AMM function for hundreds of crypto markets, and each market owns a funding pool. You can provide liquidity for the market by injecting funds into the pool and becoming a market maker. By joining AMM, you can enjoy the extra trading fee income distributed by CoinEx. It talks also about AMM revenue. The revenue of CoinEx AMM mainly comes from the trading fee incomes allocated by platform for all CET GPT trading markets, 100% of the trading fees will be rewarded to liquidity providers, while other AMM markets, 50% of the trading fees will be rewarded to liquidity providers. So you can see it says trading fee incomes calculated hourly and injected into the liquidity pool. You can obtain accumulated returns by withdrawing liquidity. It says risk. Before joining AMM, please be aware of the risk of impermanent loss. The impermanent loss refers to the loss of funds caused by price fluctuations after you deposit your funds into the pool. So whether the price goes up or down, there may be impermanent losses. However, the impermanent losses will be wiped out gradually when the price returns to its original level. So really the only risk with AMM is prices going up and down, just normal price fluctuations. So this is something that is really, really cool as well, because you could see by providing liquidity to different trading pairs, you can generate significant returns. For example, GPT USD says total liquidity is 3,579.5 USD. APY is at 2,334%. You want to join it, you just click on join, and then it brings you right there. You can also see in terms of like other pairs, they have a lot of other like top free dividend pairs it talks about. You can see it says AMM data, where there's 1,385 AMM markets, total liquidity of 18.6 million, average APY of 31.9%. You can see all of these right here. So with both of these allow you to like profit more during a volatile like market, when there's a lot of uncertainty, when news can come out in any second that changes the market entirely. Like this is a tool that is good when you don't really have a clear picture of where the market is going, because it allows you to earn on your idle crypto, earn money without taking massive risks with leverage, without having to worry about if prices are going to go up or prices are going to go down. You can earn consistent rewards from these tools. So they have this CoinEx financial account, also automated market maker. So personally, I like the CoinEx financial account because it is really low risk, but you can also use both of these. So right now in the current state of the market, when we're looking at the market, we're seeing that Bitcoin has been rejected at this key resistance of right around $85,000 per coin. Like in the short term, we need to see Bitcoin break back above this $85,000 per coin level in order for us to start pushing our way back higher, because if not, it's very likely that we could see Bitcoin drop to around that $75,000 per coin level. So in terms of what's going on right now, we need to see these things happen. But regardless, if you want to be able to profit during times where maybe there isn't as clear of a direction in the market, or there's, news coming out from the US government that could change the whole trajectory of the market, I think these two accounts like CoinEx financial account and automated market making could really help you out a lot.